Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make this star turtle out of polymer clay and resin. So first we're going to make the star template, so I'm taking some scrap clay and I'm pinching it into a star shape. Then once completed, I want to bake according to instructions, and I'm going to make a mold out of it. Next, we're going to make the turtle head, so I have a ball of yellow clay and I flattened it out into a fat pancake shape. And I'm going to place it against my star, and using my fingers, I'm just going to round out the rest of the head so it's more circular. For the little feet, I'm taking some yellow clay and I'm pinching it into a triangle shape and I'm flattening it out. And I'm going to cut a triangle at a slant. And once you have 4 feet, you're going to place them onto your star so it kind of adapts the shape of it. Next, we're going to add some large dot eyes and a ginormous line smile onto our turtle. Then you want to bake according to instructions, and then I'm taking off the little clay pieces off my star, and it comes off really easily because the star was already pre-baked and I didn't do any blending. Next, we're going to work on the star shell, so into my star mold, I'm adding some resin and I'm just going to make a thin layer on top. And here I have a bunch of pearls that I got from Miniature Sweets. And I'm just dropping an assortment of pearls into my thin layer of resin. And after I placed all my pearls, I'm going to let that cure and add a second layer of resin and add some more pearls. And I'm going to let the second layer of resin and pearls cure under the UV lamp. Then finally I'm adding some resin with some glitter for the last layer of the star shell. And I'm mixing it all together. And I'm filling up the rest of the mold with it. And once that final layer is cured, I'm unmolding the little star. And this is how it looks like. Next, we're going to add some super glue onto the turtle head and glue that onto the star. And we'll be adding some super glue onto the feet as well and gluing those onto the star. Now you can end it here if you really like the matte look, but personally I think I wanted a little bit more gloss onto it, so I decided to give it a layer of UV resin glaze. And once the UV resin has completely cured under the UV lamp, this is the final product, and this is my little star turtle. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. The pearls look so pretty, and I really like the little glitters in the background. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want to see in my next video as well. Thanks for watching!